Did you know that, according to the National Association of Realtors, a well-maintained home can appreciate in value by as much as 5% in a single year, sometimes with just a few simple updates? Or have you ever wondered if it's possible to increase your home's value without breaking the bank? If you've been dreaming of selling your home for top dollar, or simply want to fall in love with your space all over again, but you're working with a tight budget, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how you can boost your home's value for $1,000 or less. For many homeowners, the idea of increasing property value conjures images of extensive renovations, costly kitchen remodels, or new additions that can run into tens of thousands of dollars. This misconception often leaves people feeling overwhelmed, convinced that only major renovations can make a genuine difference. But in reality, maximizing your home's value doesn't always require a massive investment. Small strategic improvements can yield impressive returns, both in terms of financial gain and daily enjoyment. Let's explore how you can make smart, budget-friendly choices that truly pay off. Whether you're preparing to list your home or just want to create a more inviting atmosphere, here are several impactful improvements you can make for $1,000 or less. First, let's talk about one of the simplest, most cost-effective changes you can make: a fresh coat of paint. Time and again, real estate experts emphasize the power of paint to transform a space. Neutral, modern colors like soft grays, warm whites, or light beiges not only make rooms appear brighter and larger, but also appeal to a broad range of buyers. The average cost to paint a standard room, including supplies, ranges from $150 to $350, depending on whether you DIY or hire a professional for a single space. For under $1,000, you could repaint multiple high-impact areas, such as the living room and entryway, or focus on creating a standout accent wall. According to Zillow, homes with freshly painted interiors can yield up to a 107% return on investment when it's time to sell. Next, let's head outside. Curb appeal is your home's first impression, and it matters more than you might think. Landscaping doesn't have to mean a full garden overhaul. Simple strategies like mulching flower beds, trimming overgrown bushes, planting seasonal flowers, and keeping the lawn manicured can make a world of difference. Even a $200 investment in bright, low-maintenance plants and fresh mulch can dramatically enhance your home's exterior. The National Association of Realtors estimates that basic landscaping and yard cleanup can recover around 100% or more of the cost when selling. Another often overlooked area is minor repairs. Small details can make a big impact on how your home is perceived. Take an afternoon to fix leaky faucets, squeaky doors, cracked tiles, or loose cabinet handles. Replace dated or broken light fixtures. Modern, energy-efficient options can be found for as little as $30 each. Updating old outlet covers, switch plates, or doorknobs can create a cohesive, polished look throughout your home. Individually, these fixes may seem minor, but together, they add up to an impression of a well-cared-for property, something buyers notice immediately. Let's not forget the power of staging. You don't have to rent expensive furniture or hire a professional to stage your home effectively. Start by decluttering, removing excess items from countertops, shelves, and closets. Rearranging existing furniture to create open, inviting spaces costs nothing but can make rooms feel larger and more functional. Invest in a few new accessories, such as throw pillows, area rugs, or stylish lamps to add pops of color and texture. For around $100 to $200, you can purchase a set of coordinated decor items that instantly refresh your living space. Studies show that staged homes spend up to 73% less time on the market and may sell for up to 10% more than unstaged homes. Now, let's reveal our top recommendation for the most impactful improvement you can make for under $1,000, updating your front door. It may sound simple, but the front door is one of the first things people notice about a home. A new steel or fiberglass entry door can cost anywhere from $250 to $700, including hardware and installation if you shop smart. Alternatively, painting your existing door in a bold, modern color, think deep navy, classic red, or sleek black, costs less than $100. Pair this with updated house numbers, a new welcome mat, and stylish outdoor lighting, and your entryway will make a lasting impression. Consider the story of Lisa, a homeowner who wanted to sell her house quickly but didn't have the budget for major renovations. She invested $400 in a new front door, $50 in paint, and $100 in new planters for her porch. The transformation was immediate. Her home looked fresher, more inviting, and distinctly modern. Lisa's house sold within a week of listing, and several prospective buyers commented on the welcoming entryway. Her realtor estimated that these changes added at least $3,000 to the final sale price. Let's recap the key improvements we've discussed today and highlight the potential impact each can have on your home's value. A fresh coat of paint can make interiors feel new and universally appealing, offering a potential ROI of over 100%. Simple landscaping and curb appeal enhancements create an inviting first impression and can fully recover their cost at resale. Tackling minor repairs and updates communicates that your home is well-maintained and move-in ready, boosting buyer confidence. Thoughtful staging helps buyers envision themselves living in your space, often resulting in faster sales and higher offers. And finally, updating your front door delivers maximum bang for your buck, elevating your home's appearance and value in one simple step. The beauty of these improvements is that they're accessible to almost any homeowner. You don't need a massive renovation budget or weeks of disruption to make your home more valuable and enjoyable. With a modest investment of time, effort, and creativity, you can choose one or several of these projects and see real, tangible results. If you're feeling inspired to start your own home improvement journey, remember that the smallest changes often have the biggest impact. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to create a space you're proud of, these budget-friendly updates are a smart investment in your home's future. If you found these tips helpful and want more expert advice on making the most of your home, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more practical, actionable ideas that can help you love where you live and get the most from your biggest investment.